Sa tali mag-away, kaya na yung mga uyab. Time 1 minute 43 seconds. Number 6, Clubber Roll 2. Points number still.
Time out mo, time out, time out.
Okay, kasama pa ang foul.
Time out, time out.
Number 0, basket count number 0. Okay, check. Rebound naman. Number 7, 2. Ayaw pag kuhan. Lul, pwede rin mo kiss. Number 17. To number 6. Back to number 17. To number 7. Shot clock, 10 seconds. Giritan again. Number 17. Girit. Foul called. Number 6. Number 3, rebound by number 17. 5 seconds. Score 33-34. 1. One point score. 1 point lead, Gabugo. Thomas block. Gabugo, atras, atras. Shot clock remaining. Last 2 minutes. It's brought us by Bonoy from Sapa. Number 11, 2 points. 1 point. 36 all ba na? 36 all. Kamas number 7 to the dribble. Pass to number 3, 2 points. 20 seconds, last 1 minute. And 19 seconds. Intercepted by seconds to play. 55 seconds. Shot clock 15. Shot clock reset. Intercepted by Kamas. 30 seconds.
Oras, oras, oras.
Shot clock.
Bantay oras. Hoy, bantay oras.
15 seconds.
Pasok na, pasok.
Check, check. Bantay ha, bantay. Atras ka, Bobo, atras. Good, wala ikong top.